Hi, welcome back to EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Recently, I purchased this glass cutter for around $5 through an online store. Is it worth it? Does it even work? Let's talk about it right now. Alright, so here it is, the $5 glass cutter. Is it worth it? Well, does it even work? That's the question you have to ask yourself. So that's what I did. You can check the video here as I perform cutting this using my grinder. So what I did was basically you want to fit this here, the blade. Now they gave you this a washer as well that fits into the disc. And then what you want to do is just slip it on like that. And then you want to tighten it, okay? And using this tightener that comes with my grinder, I just have to twist it tightly. Okay, so now it's pretty much tight. Maybe I want to tighten it more. Just give me a second here. There we go. Okay, so it's ready to go. All right, so here it is. There is the glass cutter in my grinder. Does it work? Yes, it does. You can check the video here. It does cut it, but as you can see, when it's cutting it, it does a okay job, but there's a certain part that when it cut too fast, there's a little bit of crack, right? And what I'm happening is when I'm trying to smooth it out using my propane heater, the part that has a crack end up splitting up and then you get these jagged edges, okay? So in terms of cutting glasses, it does work, but I don't think it's very safe. I had to wear my safety goggles on, and in fact, I'd recommend a face shield up to the neck here, just in case these particles, end up splatting out, very tiny particles, and it could be quite dangerous. Now, in my case, I didn't see any glasses flying towards me. However, I did see some sliding away from me. So my conclusion is that if that happened to be hitting my face, if I wasn't wearing, let's say, a face shield or safety goggles, then it could be quite dangerous. In fact, it could seriously injure you within your eyes, your face, whatever it is. It's not worth it. I would say just get a proper glass cutting tools. Adding a glass blade like this one here to the grinder is not the best way to do it. It may not be a standard way to cut glasses. I tried to cut it and it worked, but it's just, I would say, not safe. I even tried to cut my test tube, which you can see here. And yeah, it also, I think, was cutting too fast and it breaks those very thin test tube glasses. So it's not recommended for cutting glass tube as well. So what is it good for? Well, I was thinking maybe you can cut rocks, because rocks actually are made out of silicon dioxide mainly and other type of minerals. And so this diamond blade cutter for cutting glasses is probably also great for cutting rocks. And rock is not as dangerous as pure glass. So I was thinking next time I'll show you whether this blade here, a $5 glass cutter blade, can be used to cut rocks. So we'll do that next time, and I think it will work. Being able to cut rocks and reshape it and smooth it out and make it into a beautiful gemstone. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation. Bye.